lightning today. Luckily it was close to home. There she sits. Close. Not sure what happened yet. Looks like this just sheared off of the spindle. The rotor and caliper are still attached to the wheel. Everything else down here looks fine, but let's get this moved. The only thing that there's no sign of here is my caliper slide pins. I don't know if that would be what caused this failure, but it's the only thing that isn't here as far as parts. All right. Doing a more thorough inspection here. Had to cut the brake line to get the wheel off. And I still have no idea how the fuck this shit happened. How's that for a parking job?